You work on projects that last for months, but still only get paid at the very end. You deliver high-value work, but your clients don't want to pay everything at once. You want a steady cash flow, but you're left waiting, chasing invoices, stressing about money. With Accountable, creating installment invoices is simple. In just a few taps, you split a big project into manageable payments, reliable for you and flexible for your clients. No more waiting until the very end to get paid. Your cash flow stays steady and your invoices are always tracked automatically. Designed for freelancers like you. Here's how easy it is. Just create a normal invoice in Accountable, add client, project and amount. Click Installments and choose how you want to split. For the next invoices, simply create the next invoices for this project. You will see all amounts and progress on the invoice. At the end, create the final invoice, preview and send. That's it. Accountable makes your workflow smarter, now with installment invoices. Get paid on time every time.